Ciao ragazzi, sono l'addestratore per il mio cane, Kiro, and devo dire che, y'all, there are culture shocks for having a dog in Italy. Hi, my name's Katie. I live in southern Italy with my husband. Say hi, Connor. And my dog, Kiro. And while Connor and Kiro keep me happy and sane, the Quirky Club supports me and gives me the ability to do these videos every week. We have a lot of fun together. We do monthly live chats. They get exclusive recipes and exclusive behind-the-scenes footage. A local friend who lives in Bisceglie gave us this tip. I'm down to find a cool hidden beach. Wanna come with? Back to dogdom. You all really seem to enjoy the video that I did earlier about culture shocks of moving to Italy. And there's another kind of culture shock that we've experienced that we would like to share with you today.
All the stuff we didn't think we'd run into and now we understand about adopting a dog in Italy.
Shock culturali con il cane. Number 1. The absurdity, the hilarity of having a trainer who speaks another language has just been like so weird.
No, it's a scene straight out of a comedy. So like our Italian is
Abbastanza bene.
See, it's passable. And he's so patient with us. Like when he's trying to tell us to do something, we're just like, what?
Sopra.
On top of.
On the table.
Sì, seduto.
9, position.
And then he takes our hand and he walks us through the movement. Oh, okay.
Box. Box.
Fuori, rientra. Ok.
Bravo.
Su 10. 10. Stop.
I've learned new verbs like togliere when he wants us to take the leash off.
Yeah.
It took me like 5 lessons before I was like, oh, that's what he's saying.
But we do talk to Kiro always in Italian.
Yep.
So, seduto,
Sit.
a terra,
Lay down.
vieni,
Come here.
resta,
Stay.
bravo.
Good boy.
Did I cover them all?
Yeah, I mean, he doesn't really do any of them.
Yes, he does. You're so mean to him.
We're still working. That's why we go to our trainer. Grazie, Antonio.
Grazie mille. Number 2, or should I say, number 1. Connor, when we take Kiro out to go pee, what's the first thing that you do or think about?
I usually scramble around the apartment. Where's the screaming and yelling, where's the water bottle? Where's the water bottle? I can't find the water bottle.
True. Here in this town that we live in, it is the culture of having a dog here to pour water over where your dog has just peed.
Yeah, I think it's technically maybe our town's law that you have to do that.
It's written in the books.
Our town is this like beautiful white stone and it's hot and it's dry here. If you just leave pee on the hot, dry stone, you know, it smells.
It's a law for a reason, I get that.
I was always letting him, he peed on this one tree that had a bunch of dirt around it and I was like, oh, the dirt will soak it up. And there's this older man that started screaming, l'acqua, l'acqua. That's why I am always in a panic looking for the water bottle because I don't want to get in trouble again. Speaking of pee, the next one.
Number 3, poop. It is literally a thing on sidewalks all the time, everywhere. Not Kiro. There's just poop everywhere, all over the sidewalks. And I was interviewed for Trani Live, which is a local paper, and he was asking me about like all the things I love about living here, and then was like, what's something you don't love about living here? And straight away I was like, there's so much dog poop on the sidewalk, and he included that in the article. And I got so much feedback from that, being like, that was hilarious.
Yeah, and our town has done a really good job, and they have little dog poop receptacles on like every 3rd corner here in Trani, but I don't know. Somebody's dog is still pooping all over the place.
It's more than just one person's dog. We have never done that. But okay, that's enough about poop. Number 4, the muzzle. So Kiro does not love the muzzle, but it is law to have a muzzle.
Yep, doesn't need to be on the dog, but it does need to be on your person.
Also, if you want to take your dog on a train, for instance, it has to be wearing the muzzle. Just got to the train station, and that means it's time for me to mask up and for Kiro to mask up. Bravo. Bravo, Kiro. He hates it. you know, this is a reason that it's important for us to have the car.
Yeah, if you guys have seen our video about all the cars we've had stolen from us, you'll learn a lot more about why we really want a car.
And he does love the car. We just put his little blanket back there and he's like happy as can be. Number 5, stray dogs. There are a lot of stray dogs here. At the Canile, the dog shelter where we got Kiro, there's 130 dogs.
They're so well taken care of. It's an amazing facility, but
An amazing team of volunteers and people working there who work with them. But it's an overwhelming number of dogs. From what I've heard and like anecdotally as well, is that southern Italy in general, not just this area, not just Puglia, is kind of known for having a ton of stray dogs. So much so that people who want to adopt dogs will often adopt from this part of Italy. We have a friend in London who adopted her dog from southern Italy. We met folks up in Milan in northern Italy who adopted their dog, also from Puglia.
One thing I must say I really, really appreciate about dog culture here in Italy is that Kiro's pretty much welcomed. Most places that I go, isn't that right, Kiro? Morning coffee? Kiro can hang.
Number 6. In our experience, there have been a lot of grandmas and moms that have made it very clear to us that they hate dogs. They really just don't like dogs, don't want them anywhere near. Obviously, there are places all around the world where people don't like dogs, but it seems to be a trend here, and we kind of have a guess.
dogs are dirty. I mean, we give Kiro a bath every week. I can tell you, dogs are dirty. People here keep really, really immaculate, amazing homes. But if any Italian viewers have any more insight why you think all the nonas here just seem to bristle at the idea of a dog, let us know.
Facci sapere, lascia un commento qui sotto.
Grazie.
Number 7, cat calling for dogs. Every time we take Kiro on a walk, someone is cat calling him. Like, they suck their teeth at him and like just getting his attention.
I've had people drive by in a car with their window open and just go.
I don't know, I'm not accustomed to strangers like consistently beckoning a dog that I'm walking.
I feel bad because he completely ignores it.
Yeah, he's like
every time.
in his own world.
Kiro.
He's like, if you don't have food, I don't care. On that note, a lot of people have given Kiro food. They see him and they feed him. Like they give him
like an entire sausage.
Or, you know, half of their cornetto or something if we're walking by a cafe and people are sitting outside. This goes back to number 3, the poop.
It's all about poop, you guys.
And we're like, you just gave our dog a full Wurstel, half a cornetto. How is this going to affect the end result, which is going to be on the sidewalk that you are walking on right now? Also, I have to say, I never thought that we would be the kind of dog parents that like, you know, to come up with a list like this or anything, but like, I feel like when you adopt a dog, it's been a life changer, and in all of the great ways, but also in some challenging ways. Which is some of which we have just shared with you in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We had fun talking about it.
I love talking about dog poop. I'll do it all day.
And I just love Kiro, our dog.
Oh, Kiro.
I hope you liked the video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to the Quirky Club, my incredible Patreon community who supports all of these videos I do. If you want to check it out, I'm leaving a link qui sotto. And let's tell these fine folks what not to forget.
Don't forget to keep it quirky.
Always, when it comes to you, your dog, poop on the sidewalk, all of it.